Now, one thing that I have to remind myself is there are new frontal wearers, new closure wearers every single day. So if you are new to my channel and you're trying to figure out what's the difference between a lace frontal and a lace closure, you've come to the right video. So I'm showing you guys how to style it and the benefits of owning a lace closure wig. Let's get into it. What's up, you guys? Now, you already know, before we get into this tutorial, I have to announce my $100 monthly giveaway. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, like this video, comment below, and leave your Cash App. Win $100 in every single product in this video. Good luck! Alright, so we are back with another hair tutorial and a hair sponsor that's actually been on my channel plenty times. Thank you so much, Tinashe, for sponsoring this video with this straight lace closure wig. And this is actually a 5x5 lace closure wig. So the lace is actually a little bit wider than the traditional ones, which are only 4x4. So if you're wondering, hey, what's the difference between a 4x4 and a 5x5, then here it is. All right, so I inserted an example of the difference between a 5x5 and a 4x4. So of course the 5x5 is the closure on the left-hand side. The original 4x4 is the one on the right-hand side. Now, I wouldn't say there's anything wrong with the 4x4. It's just that with the 5x5, then your hairline ends up being wider, so you can do more with the baby hair and make it look more natural, and your part can actually go back further. So the more time goes by, the more just hair itself gets evolutionized and it just advances, right? So now we're realizing that we can really do the same things with a closure that we can do with a frontal. Now, you can always bleach the knots, but one thing that I didn't always do, which I don't even know why, is pluck the hairline. When you pluck a closure, it looks so much more natural. Rather, when you don't pluck it, it kind of looks thick, looks boxy, and it doesn't look natural at all. So long story short, even though you have a lace closure, you can still get that fleeky frontal effect. All right, so cool. We already glued the wig down, we did the baby hairs, and now it's time to style. So we're taking our flyaway tamer from galaxygirlhair.com. This is a wax stick that I use to apply on the hair before I use the hot comb, because sort of like grease, it adds a little bit of weight to the hair, so it gets rid of flyaways and it makes it nice and flat at the top. So another thing that I like about lace closure wigs, especially for my clients who are like no maintenance, is you don't have to be a professional to maintain it at home. Like unlike frontals, which are way more complicated, with a closure, like anyone can style their own hair and make it look good at home, even if you don't even know how to do hair. All right, so right now I'm gonna let you guys take a look at tinashehair.com, just so you can peep their prices and their variety. So they have 13x6 wigs, 13x4, 5x5, 6x6, I mean, all type of wigs. They have curly wigs, straight wigs, color wigs, really whatever you need for your mood. All right, so at this point, we're already in spring break. Summer break is coming up, and I know y'all need wigs to withstand the heat, the humidity, the beach, all that stuff. So if you are the type of girl that, you like to look cute and you don't want to do that much maintenance on vacation, then I strongly recommend getting a lace closure wig because you don't even have to use glue. Now, by chance, if you do want your wig to be glued down so you feel a little bit more secure, then you can do that. But the easy part about lace closure wigs is that the glue line is only 5 inches long, 4 inches long, and it's normally just a straight line. It's not like a lace frontal where it's like a widow's peak and all these curves and stuff in the hairline. You don't even have to do all that. All right, so the top is flat, the hairline looks great, the part looks natural, baby hairs look natural, but I see 2 little pieces of lace on each side that I need to cover. So I'm just taking my eyeliner pencil, this is like dark brown, and I'm just gonna fill it in so it becomes invisible, because yeah, we don't have time to be seeing that. Woo! That's what you call beautiful and natural, okay? So once again, thank you so much Tinashe Hair for sponsoring this video with this straight 5x5 lace closure wig. If you guys want this exact unit, I'm gonna put all the information in the description below. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you go ahead and do that and turn on your notifications. See y'all later and have a good summer.